Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the camera to capture the motion photo before and after the shutter in this device. Simply go to the camera. So here you can see I already enabled the motion photo. For this, on the top right side you can see the motion photo icon, it is enabled. Otherwise from here also we can easily enable the motion photo. Just turn on this option. So go to settings. So here you can see the option advanced picture options. Tap on this one. Now here you can see the option motion photo capture. Tap on this one. So if you want to capture the motion photo before and after the shutter, then you need to select the first option, before and after shutter. Select this one. Now let me show you, and after that you need to enable the motion photo in this device. Okay, now let me show you. Now I am going to take a motion photo. Okay, yeah, now open the gallery. You can see view motion photo. Tap on this one. You can see. Again I will show you. Yeah, tap on this one. Right, so simply in this way we can set the camera to capture motion photo before and after the shutter in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.